Hi everyone, today we're going to be dividing large numbers by small numbers, and here is the perfect example. As you can see, I've got 71,649 and I'm going to be dividing that number by 6. The first thing I want to do with my equation here is to write 71,649 on the bottom. Next, I'm going to place a division symbol at the top and place the 6 all the way on this side. There we go, we have it. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of my question. Now the next thing we're going to do is going to start dividing it. Let's change the colors to make it look a bit fancy. There we go. Now the first thing we want to do is put this 6 into this 7, and 6 goes into 7 one time, we know that, and our leftover is 1, making our new number over here 11. Then we're going to put 6 into 11. 6 goes into 11 again one time with a remainder of 5. And we can calculate that because 6 to 11 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, making our new number 56 on this side. Next we're going to take our 6 and put that into 56. I know using my times tables that 6 times 9 is 54, which is really close to 56. If I go to 6 times 10, that gives me 60, so it's higher than 56. So we're going to go 6 9s are 54 and leave it at that. Put our answer there, and our leftover is 2. Because 54, 55, 56, 2 to get to 56. And making our new number over here 24. I'm going to do the same thing, put 6 into 24, and this is an easy one. 6 into 24 is 4, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Alright, and finally we're going to put 6 into 9. 6 into 9, everyone knows, goes once. And here comes the tricky part. We have a leftover, so move this over a bit. We have a leftover of 3. And now if we know we have a leftover at the end of the number, we just simply put a small decimal point there. We put a small decimal point at the top. I'm just going to extend this line over. We pop a 0 down here. And now we're free to put our remainder there. So from here, we have 6 into 9. We're going to put our remainder here, 3. And we have a new number of 30. Now we're going to do the same thing and just put 6 into 30. Again, which is nice and simple, which is 5. 6 5s are 30. And there we have it. Our final answer, leaving us with 11,941. So 71,649 divided by 6 gives us 11,941.5. Don't forget, if you run out of space or run out of numbers, you just simply add a 0 and put your remainder on top. Alright, our second number will be 25,368 divided by 4. Okay, the first step I want to do again is, let's choose a different color here. Let's place our 25,368 at the bottom. 25,368. Let's put our division symbol here, right above it. And let's put our 4 over here, like so. And let's clear the space. Now you might have noticed that I've put a large gap in between the bottom here. And that's for our remainders, which we saw before. Alright, now let's start. Let's choose another color to make it look a bit better. Let's go pink. Alright, first off, we want to do 4 into 2. Now I know that doesn't work because 4 is larger than 2. So automatically we go to the next number. We combine those two. And we take 4 and bring it into 25. I can also place a 0 there because of that. Okay, 4 into 25. We simply go through our times tables to figure that out. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. I've got 6 times there. And a remainder of 1, making our new number 13. Next we take 4 and put that into 13, and again we can do the timetables. 4, 8, 12. I've got a 3 because 3 times 4 gives me 12, and 12 to 13 is 1. That's our remainder, making our new number 16. I'm going to take 4 and place that into 16 this time. 4 into 16 goes 4. 4 4s 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. Yep, that's correct. And finally, 4, going to place that into 8, which is a 2. And there you have it. 25,368 divided by 4 is 6,342. Now you might be asking, how can I check that? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'm just going to check that with inverse operation. And the inverse of division is multiplication. And I can do that simply by doing 6,342 times 4. And place my line there. Alright, 4 times 2 gives us 8. 4 times 4 gives us 16. The remainder of 1 or 8, 10. 4 times 3 or 4 times 3 is 12, plus that little one gives us 13 with our of 1, and 6 4s are 24, plus the 1 gives us 25. And there you have it. 25,368, 25,368. So I know that my answer is correct. Thanks for watching.